Find the output if x is -2 and y is 3, alright? So now we have a negative number as one of our inputs, so we need to be careful, right? And remember our negative operations, right? So x is -2. The first thing we have to do is to multiply that by 3, right? So -2 times 3 is a -6. And then our y is 3, right? So the first thing we have to do with our y is to multiply it by 2. And then 3 times 2 is 6, right? Then next, multiply together. -6 times 6. That will be a -36 because minus times plus is minus, right? So we're here. We're moving on. Next is to add 3y. Y is 3. So 3 times 3 is 9, right? So that means we're adding 9. Here you need to be careful, okay? Because you're doing -36 plus 9, all right? And remember, when you have a negative number plus a positive number, you're going to do normal subtraction, okay? But if the bigger one in quotes is negative, then your answer will be negative. All right, in this case, 36 is the negative number and it's bigger than 9, so your answer is going to be negative. But when you have negative this plus that, you know you're doing subtraction. So we just do 36 minus 9, take away 9 from 36. All right, that will be 30, take away 3, that's 27. But because the 36 here is negative, so it's going to be -27, all right? -27. I have videos on my channel that explain working with negative numbers. You can just check it out. Okay, next is for us to take away 4x. So we're taking away 4x. So x is a -2. So here we have okay, let me just take that. 4 times -2. So 4 times -2 is -8, right? And then we're taking away, so we're doing minus -8. Minus -8. And then you remember when we have double minus, it's plus, right? So this is actually plus 8 because minus times minus is plus. All right, so that's plus 8. So here again, we're doing -27 plus 8. So minus 27 plus 8, I told you when we're doing something like that, the operation is subtraction, okay? So you're taking away, but your answer is going to be positive or negative depending on which number is positive or which one is negative. In this case, the bigger one is in the negative side, so your answer is going to be negative. So let's do our subtraction. 27 take away 8, that would be 19, right? But because this is negative, it's going to be -19, and that is our final output. Okay, I won't be going over it because of the video length. So, but if you need to, go over the video, and if you have any question, do where to ask. And remember, if you have a problem working with negative numbers, I have videos that explain that on my channel. You can do where to go through them. Thank you. Bye.